What's up, guys? This is Crystal Rains. This is my first video ever, and we are going to be doing rating my fidgets. So hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up, share, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Okay, guys, this is the quiet side. It's not bad. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. It's also really pretty. I like this duck puppy. It's so cute. This is the quiet side, I know. This is the loud side. The quiet side and the loud side are pretty much the same. So this is a 4 out of 10. I don't really mind it. Now we got this tie-dye poppet, the quiet side. This ain't that good, so 6 out of 10. I got this Among Us poppet. I actually have 2, so comment down below if you want one. Okay, this is the quiet side. This is loud. Probably a 8 out of 10. Quiet side. This is definitely an 8 out of 10 too. Okay. Sorry, I have so much poppets. This is the quiet side. I like it. I'm not going to be showing all my fidgets. And this is my puzzle ball. It's really fun to play with. It's like a Rubik's Cube, except it's in the shape of a ball, so that's definitely a 10 out of 10. It is my most favorite. Okay. I'll show you a little bit more of my fidgets, but then I can't, because you can also watch in the next video a glow-in-the-dark mochi. This is definitely a 4 out of 10. This is my favorite, a 3 out of 10. Actually, 5 out of 10. I don't know what this is, but it's a 1 out of 10 because I don't. Comment down below if you know what it is. A marble mesh, 3 out of 10. 2 monkey noodles, 10 out of 10. And this mochi is 3 out of 10. I'll do this. It's a one of those it's one of those, except it's thin, definitely a 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Comment down for part 2. It will be in my next video. Bye.